In the world of work management, we're all searching for a shortcut to efficiency. But what feels efficient is different for each of us. Let's meet Eduardo from IT. He needs a ticketing solution right away to handle his intake and tackle the backlog. Then there's Gina, a project manager who wants tools to help her with project kickoff and retrospectives. And finally, Mark, a product manager, is looking for an AI agent to keep his sprint cycles on track. They are all looking for different solutions, but all of them can find them in the exact same place. Just click your profile icon and pick Templates and Solutions. Welcome to the newly updated Wrike Template and Solution Center. The left navigation panel makes it easier and quicker to find exactly what you need. In the Created by Wrike section, Eduardo can set up a full ticketing and request solution that comes with work intake dashboards, whiteboards, and even an AI agent. From here, Eduardo can install this ticketing solution as a new space, or add it as a folder inside an existing space. This way, he can scale up right away without interrupting his current workflows. The best part about the Created by Wrike section is that it gathers end-to-end solutions for multiple industries and workflows, like construction, agile development, product manufacturing, marketing campaigns, and more. Gina, on the other hand, is after a smaller, targeted solution, the missing piece for her project kickoff and retrospectives. That's where the new feature-focused section shines. Instead of rolling out a whole new space, Gina can download a modular whiteboard solution to help with the start and end of her project delivery, fitting seamlessly into her workspace. Mark can do the same. He can grab a feature-focused solution in the AI agent section. Here, he gets direct access to the Scrum Master agent. This specialized tool gives him daily updates on sprint health, blockers, and more, so his engineering cycles stay tight, agile, and automated. Whether you need a complete end-to-end workflow overhaul or just a quick modular boost, the Template and Solution Center is where every professional can find the right solution for their needs.